Ladies and gentlemen, Greg McCloskey from ForexLive.com. This is a Forex quick look at the Aussie versus US dollar. Today's date is August 25th, 2023. Looking at the hourly chart of this currency pair, if we were to look at the moving averages, that's the blue and green lines here. They both come in around the 0.6430 level, a little bit below, a little bit above. As you can see, the high price in trading here today moved up to that moving average ceiling and found willing sellers. The price has since rotated modestly to the downside, currently trading at 0.6412 down here, about 20 pips below those moving average levels. And as we head toward the Fed Chair Powell speech at Jackson Hole, the 100 and 200 hour moving average is going to be our barometer. If the price were to move above it, then we look toward this swing area here, where we have a number of different swing lows and swing highs that form this swing area over the last few weeks of trading. If we get above that level, that would open the door for a rotation perhaps toward this 0.649568 level. That's, let's call it 0.65, and then 0.65136. That corresponds with different swing areas out through here. So that would be the bullish case above the 100 and 200 hour moving average. It's pretty obvious, and it would require a less hawkish, little dovish Fed chair, but I guess we would hope for probably less hawkish is what would push that, or just some short covering in the Aussie versus US dollar. But technically, that's the key barometer. On the downside, the low prices had a line going across here at 0.6411, but as you can see, we broke a little bit below it in the Asian session, and then found willing buyers down there. But getting below this area around the 0.6400 level would open the door for looking toward our low prices going back in time. This low came in around the 0.6379. The low price that we saw earlier this week came in around the 0.6387. So the low for the week at 87, lows for last week at 79, and then down at 0.6363 are obvious targets to get to and through on the downside to increase the bearish bias. Let's take a look at the daily chart and to see what that is telling us. And when we look at that, here are low prices for the month of August, and the low prices really for the year going back to November of 2022. And the low price did test this lower trend line, which is now below the low of this swing area as well, near around the 0.63485. So getting below the 485 level, and it looks just a little below that level. Maybe it's 5 pips or so, but understand that there is some support down near the 48 level that if we get below, it would open the door for further selling pressure in the Aussie versus US dollar. So there you have it. A look at the that currency pair as we head into the Fed Chair speech at Jackson Hole. My name is Greg McCloskey. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.